right, so we're on page 7. So on page 7 is going to talk about how we develop some ideas, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to kind of imagine that we have a creative bank account, okay? That everyone has their own bank account within them. And every time you go someplace, you meet someone, you read a book, you watch a TV show, anything, okay? It's giving your creative bank account like deposits, all right? Things that you could kind of come up with an idea from. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna use all of your life experiences, okay? To kind of come up with a project idea with a specific theme, all right? So because our projects are gonna be themed based, all right? So for example, I'm gonna do dinner time to begin with, okay? So let's move this over. I'm gonna zoom this in. All right, so let's say I'm given the title dinner time. Like what could I know that's bouncing, sorry. What could I draw that doesn't necessarily show exactly dinner time, but something that's happening during dinner time? So it makes me think of it, okay? So someone once told me, I guess there's like one of the teachers here said there's a thing with ILA that they show, don't tell, or show what you know, something like that, okay? Basically, don't put it out there. Let people figure it out, okay? So how can we get someone to think about dinner time without really having dinner time there, okay? So let's see. A great idea for a project might be, how can I make you think dinner time without being dinner time? Well, we could do a drawing of an empty, drawing of a dinner after everyone ate. Okay, so let's imagine this. So it's a picture of everyone ate. Okay, so we have the dishes, we have stuff all over the place, okay, on the table. Almost imagining that this might be from the top. We have people here, maybe they're talking, but it's from above, all right? And we have other people, and maybe we have some chairs moved back, all right? So it's a drawing of a dinner after everyone ate. It's not the dinner itself, but it's what happens after. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. So what I want you to do, I'm gonna zoom this out, all right, is I want you to come up with ideas, all right, for what could you do, what kind of project, what would it look like if you had something that showed friendship, okay? Something that had teeny pieces, okay? What could you create? Feeling calm, warm feeling, special place. Now this one is kind of a little unusual. 147. What would you come up with something like that, okay? So in my household, over on the weekend, okay, my son is young, so probably in a couple of years this will not apply, but at 1 o'clock he goes down for a nap. So this is quiet time for me. So I might draw an image of maybe something that's a quiet time, but maybe this time is different. And I noticed I didn't put the PM or AM, so see what that connection is, okay? We have panic. We have showtime, vibrant color, open, all right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a few minutes, you're gonna write down what idea could you come up with that would demonstrate this, okay? All right, and when you're done, make sure you upload it straight into Seesaw.